Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here, the Red Roof Inn and Suites here in Dickinson, North Dakota. Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Here you guys go.
Thank you.
Have a good day. You
Thank
too.
you.
Yeah.
We got 330A here, right? Let's go to 3. Man, we're just... Door close button works. Nice elevator. Although, this place is total dumb. Oh, this is 2.
Oh, you guys going down?
Yeah,
Okay.
sure, we'll ride with you.
Sure.
It's a ride.
Yeah, no problem.
There we go.
Guys have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Yeah. Good. You gotta have a little bit.
Thank you very much.
You bet.
Yeah, this. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.